kind of a makeshift box. This is from Amazon. Alright, so we've got the Mad Jack seatbelt kit, plus 2 belts. Should be 4 belts in there. Here's our 2 extras. And we've got our 2 that come in the some nice hefty hardware. We're going to start on the seatbelt kit to install, so we're going to need to cut this boot down about 2 inches. Alright, so let's mark 2 inches. Pencil does an okay job. Alright, we'll use a razor knife to cut this off. Cut a line and take it off. Alright. Perfect. One side's done. We got one side to go. Let's do the same thing on this side. Let's mark it down 2 inches. Fairly easy to cut. Just keep your fingers out of the way. Slice it down. Pull it off. Let's grab our hardware. Let's get a few sides ready. You'll need a 17mm socket, and I've got mine on my impact driver there. Alright. Let's throw the backer on. The back should look like that. Now let's do this other side. Alright, let's take the first side, throw the washer and nut on with the backer. Got my trusty crescent nut rounder. Not sure how high I want them, but we'll see, I guess, once we put the seat belts on. Whew. Got it in reverse. Not a good idea. Alright, back to square one. Alright, let's mount these guys in the middle. Alright, let's pull a 9/16 out on one side and the 17mm on the other. Let's put the retractable seat belts on and we'll be done. Alright, before we put the other one on, let's try it out. Ah, it's pretty good. Not really in the way. Yeah, I like it. We're gonna kind of lose that middle seat for our daughter though, but we'll have to make something else work. All right, let's throw this last seat belt on. All right, and we're driving safe now. You just watched the install for a Mad Jack's 2 or 4-seater kit. It's a great, easy to install kit, feels sturdy. I like it, I'm excited to use it this year. There's gonna be a follow-up video once we get the rear seat installed, putting those last 2 belts on the rear seat. If you wanna purchase this kit, there's going to be a link down in the description. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see me install on the golf cart this year. I've got a few more projects planned, but looking for some more items to do. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.